Hey guys, it's your girl Hallie. And welcome back to my channel. So today's video I did this look. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it yet. I think I'm gonna do maybe like my everyday makeup routine because this is kind of what I use on like a daily basis, like 2 or 3 things I put in there. Maybe you want to see how this look turned out, just keep on watching. And yeah.
Hello! So I'm first starting off with my Mary Kay primer, putting that all over my face and down my neck, as you guys can see. Then I'm going to go get my foundation. So the foundation I'm using is the ABH Luminous Foundation in the shade 450C. Put it in the back of my hand, then I go get my sponge, which is kind of dirty. Then I forgot to wet my sponge, so I'm using setting spray. But I just apply that on my face. It's actually my 3rd time using this, and I'm actually like obsessed. Love it. Then I'm going to take my 2 concealers. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep, and then the Mary Kay concealer in the shade Light Bronze. So just applying that under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin, you know, the areas. Don't mind me, just checking myself out. So next I go and take my powder. It's by MAC, my go-to honestly, and I just apply that all over my face. Then I take the Bare Minerals bronzer, also my go-to, in shade High Dive, and I just bronze up my face a bit, nothing too harsh. Next up is brows. So I'm using the ColourPop Brow Boss in the shade Brunette. So I'm just applying that to my brows like so. Nothing too crazy. You know the drill. Next I'm taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Shimmer and Shake. And I'm applying that to my cheeks like so. Then I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette by Rimmel London. It's the Magna Eyes Nude Edition palette. I'm first going in with this dark brown shade and just really buffing that into my outer corners and my outer crease. I then grab my bronzer and I'm buffing that into my middle crease and kind of blend that in with that dark brown shade. Then I'm getting this other shade, it's kind of like a reddish brown, also has a shimmer to it, putting that on my lid. I then get another brush and just blending all the shadows together. Now I'm taking this highlighter by Colored Rain in the shade Rare Truth. Literally obsessed with this, so I'm just putting that on my lids over that other shimmer just to brighten up my eyes a little bit better. And then I take another brush and just blending all the shadows in again. After curling my lashes, I'm using mascara. So the mascara I'm using today is L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Also obsessed with this stuff. I then go back in with that Colored Rain highlighter and I'm putting that all over my face, on my nose, my cupid's bow, my brow bone. Yeah. It's now time for lips. I'm using my go-to lip liner by NYX in the shade Downtown Beauty. So you know the drill, just applying that to my lips like so. Then I'm taking this lip gloss by ColourPop in the shade Champagne Money. Also very obsessed with this lip, like very. And I'm taking this brow gel by Mary Kay and applying that to my brows. And then finishing off with the Mary Kay finishing spray. Literally my favorite part of doing makeup. Like, it's so refreshing.
So this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was pretty fun playing with makeup because I haven't like really done my makeup in quite a while. Usually just like maybe put like some concealer under my eyes and maybe put brow gel on my brows and lip gloss and mascara, but that's really it. And it's kind of, I didn't do like a lot, it's really natural, but it's still like more products than I usually put on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.